Hello, this is my channel Study in Europe. Today I am talking about study in Italy. This is my first video on study in Italy and I will make more videos in detail in the next few days. Italy is a popular destination for international students. It offers quality higher education with more affordable tuition fees than other Western European countries. There are around 32,000 international students in Italy, including independent students and those on exchange programs. The country has a rich history and tradition of higher education. This makes it an attractive option for students. Tuition fees and study costs in Italy. Tuition fees in Italy are generally lower than in other countries in Europe. Institutions of higher education in Italy establish their own tuition fees, but in the case of university education, there is a legal minimum cost for enrollment and a maximum cost for student contributions, which cannot exceed 20% of state funding. Admission to Master University and other specialized degree courses in Italy may have much higher tuition fees. Doctoral students who receive university grants do not pay tuition fees, but non-grant holders are required to pay the tuition fees of their university. Public universities. Average tuition fees for a higher education in Italy are between €850 to €1,000 per year, depending on the university and program of study. Private universities. Private universities in Italy are much more expensive and the majority of them have the same tuition fees for both EU and non-EU students. Funding and scholarships. There are many funding and scholarships that students undertaking an education in Italy can apply for. Some scholarships not only cover tuition fees but living costs as well. Scholarships and funding are often limited and are given to the students based on merit, after an assessment of their previous grades. Admissions in Italy for Pakistani students. The requirements for admissions in Italy are different for EU nationals and non-EU nationals. The EU nationals can directly apply at any Italian university's official website, whereas the non-EU nationals as Pakistani students would have to follow a different procedure. The Pakistani students willing to get admissions for undergraduate or postgraduate program in an Italian university will have to register a pre-application request to the Italian consulate in their home country. The Italian consulate will accept the pre-application form of the applicant and the further admissions process will start. The admission submissions start from March to July. After acceptance of pre-application form, the consulate issues a document, Dichiarazione di valore in loco, Statement of Validity. After that you will consult the International Student Office of your chosen university online, or in some cases the embassy can forward the application itself. The university will send an email and ask for enrollment documents. The enrollment and merit requirements can be different according to your degree program, about which you can take information from the Italian university you have chosen for admission.